Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add message to a bookmark on Skype app on an Android device. Well, if a message contains important information such as an address, phone number, or a task you need to remember, so bookmarking it ensures you can easily find it later. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the Skype app on your device. So, select the conversation you need. After that, long press on the message you want to add to a bookmark. Okay, and select this option. So, the way to see it, you can enter to your profile page and click Bookmark menu. Well, that's the tutorial on how to add a message to a bookmark on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.